Hi guys, so this is my trusty top box that I've been using. It's about a year already in this motorbike. I don't like the aluminum because mabigat sila eh. So I like the plastic ones because they are light. So this one is 55 liters. But recently I found out na meron palang mga top box that are made of plastic but looks like aluminum. Honestly, this one is not too bad, but the aluminum top box looks better. So I purchased a new one. It's right over there. We'll do an unboxing and do an installation. So first, I need to remove
Now
this.
that's gone out of the way. Unbox natin to. So I have several options and I opted for the Duhan top box. So it's made of plastic and it's very light, even with the box and the packaging in it. So yeah, that's why I like plastic. So this one looks like a aluminum top box. Pero ano siya, made of plastic. So yeah, let's remove it out of the packaging. So yeah, ito na siya. So it really looks like a aluminum top box. So what I like about it also is ano siya, meron siyang, maalis mo siya sa lalagyan niya doon. Yan. And let's open it. So na-open mo pala siya even without the key. Like that. Yan.
There's the key.
Key.
Accessories.
Yeah. Nice. Yan, so yung mga nuts and bolts. Yan. So these nuts are gold. Kasi ano sa self-locking, may plastic sa loob. Okay. Washers. Tapos this inside.
Oh, there's pocket.
Yeah, may pocket, so you can put the papers of the motor here. But you have to...
Sticky, what's that? Sticky.
So it's made of plastic, but it's thick plastic.
Okay.
It's not bad. Yeah, it's good. It's good bad.
Okay.
So this is what it came with. A user's manual or installation manual in Chinese and English. It's good. A couple of stickers. Ayan, ganda. Tapos sticker from the supplier. And so meron siyang apat na set of I don't know what I call this. Parang hold down something. And then bracket. Yan. Tapos you have nuts and bolts, this one, screw bolts and plain washers. Tapos meron siyang maigsi. So I think if you don't need a very long one, then probably you can afford that one. So that's nice. And that's it, the push yung key right there. And of course this one. So I like about Duhan is ano siya, meron siyang metal plate. Meron akong experience dati na plastic yung bottom plate niya. And naputol yung lock niya, which is nandito siya. Yeah, dito pala, naputol siya. So I like this one kasi it's made of metal, and of course I have my rack here na made of steel. So pinagawa ko to. Yan. So okay di pala dito siya na siya. Pwede kang maglagay ng side pannier aside from the top box. So install natin yon. Madali naman siya lagay kasi I should be able to find a way to install that. So yeah, there. So I used the shorter bolts. Yeah, I don't need really long ones. So yeah, it's secure there. Yeah, I just have to tighten them and just have to align. Yeah. So yeah, overall impression is really good. You can see the metals, makapal siya. Not sure this one is made of metal. But yeah, for sure this is made of metal. It's pretty secure. You have 4 anchors there, and this is also secured by this 4 bolts. It's sturdy. This one look like this made of plastic. Yeah, it's made of plastic, so that can be
But anyway, there are 4 of them, so it should be fine. But every time I use this one, especially pag may laman siya, I'll just have to secure this with a strap. Yeah, to make it more sturdy. And as you can see in the back, meron siyang backrest for the pillion rider. It's good. So yeah, it's really good buy. And what I like is magaan siya. Really like. For added security, I will use shrink tubes. Yan. So, para siyang lock din. Yan. Para hindi mag-totally unscrew in case it got loose. Yan. So, yun. Yan. If I don't need the top box, just loose it. I mean, unlock it, push it down there, and pull the box out. Yeah, so yan. Nice and easy. Ilatisin pa natin. So yung mga bakal, medyo makapal, and they're made of stainless, so they're corrosion proof, rust proof. I mean, rust resistant. Ito, I hope that's also stainless, and most of them are riveted, so yung tendency na lumuwag is very remote. Yan, yung nakatornilyo lang ito. Yan. All the rest are riveted, even yung mounting dito. Yeah, these are all riveted. So yeah, they're quite good. So tulisin natin so you can see what's at the bottom. Yan, riveted sila. I don't know what this is. Is the drain for water? Yeah, probably. Ayan. Really good. Thick. Makapal, very thick. And yeah, this is nice. And it stops right there. It doesn't hit this. So yeah, well, it's quite good. So it's a thumbs up app. So the price of this is 3,100 pesos online. So the price depends on where you buy them, but it shouldn't be more than 4,000. So the last thing I need to do is to put the stickers. So finally, with the stickers, yeah, naka-on yung ilaw ng camera. As you can see, it's reflecting. Yeah. So here, so there. So not here. So good.